So this is the aftermath of the explosion from the e-cig, the Tsunami battery. Uploaded a whole bunch of pictures. This is it. This is what happened. So the whole top came off, exploded. It was plugged in right here and exploded onto the desk, damaging the computer. Thankfully we weren't in the room because there are melted plastic everywhere. There's melted plastic everywhere in the carpets, everywhere in the seats. It's all the way over here on the other side of the desk. On the ground, the carpet is ruined because of this. As you can see, it's completely scorched and burned. Can't even, some of it leaves holes. This ended up on the other side of the desk back here, and then all the way from there to here. That's the cap. This is where the cap ended up, and you can see, oh hey, look at that. Tsunami is. Never had a problem like this before, but thankfully nobody was in the room, or we would have incinerated plastic in us at some point. And this cable also is completely scorched. One of the other cables here, I'll show you, is completely just dead. This thing was totally busted. Totally ruined. Look at that. Check that shit out. Completely ruined. Thank you, Tsunami e-cigs.